The strategy comes down to one question. Does your marketing campaign create a message that helps families understand that they're not just choosing a dentist for their child's next cleaning, but choosing a practice that their family can grow up with? When a marketing campaign is framed that way, everything changes. When it's built around the idea that your pediatric practice is a long-term relationship rather than a simple appointment, your copy sounds different. Your unique selling proposition or your unique value proposition, it sounds different. The social media content that you publish is different. The captions are different. The reviews that you get end up telling a different story. And your website communicates something that a general dental practice simply cannot. AI search engines like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Perplexity, they are specifically looking for this type of nuance when deciding whether to recommend a pediatric practice over a general dentist. Beyond just online search, parents are not just evaluating whether you're a convenient or affordable pediatric dentist. They're deciding whether your practice is the kind of place that they can trust with their child from age 2 until that child potentially leaves the home. That's a high stakes decision, and it calls for a high caliber message. So strategically, a great pediatric dental marketing campaign requires that every piece of your marketing system, your website, your social content, your reputation management, whether you're doing paid advertising, how you present yourself in your community, and how you also present yourself to AI search engines, it all communicates the same thing, that choosing your practice is not transactional. It's the beginning of a relationship. The goal is to become the practice a family grows up with. And great pediatric dental marketing is how you make that case before they ever walk through the door.